Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Today's video, ano kaya mangyayari sa laro at anong mangyayari? But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto ka mag-like, shares, comments, and views at abutin ng 500. If supportin natin sa ating social media account. Ang ating today's video ay 336 and title for today's vlog ay Game Time! Here's your vlog! Okay, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin dahil today is Friday, May 23. Una muna natin sa radio station that the news show of Magic 899 entitled Game Night is all about sports and games of the world with Junior Jocks na tatlong boys. Hindi ko sure kung sino yung malalaman natin yan. But, congratulations sa ating pilot episode ng Magic 899's Game Night. All about gamers and sports. Hindi lang para sa mga boys, pati mga gamer girls. Mali kayong maglaro ng games niyan. At, syempre, may volleyball at basketball sa sports news. And, the NBA games. Kasi kanina, parang Western or Eastern. But, ano yung team kaya mananalo sa ating Western Conference and Eastern Conference? Well, congrats to the whole cast of the Game Night on Magic 899. Now, let's move on to sa laranan ng sports sa yesterday's cheerleading competition ng NCAA. 9 teams or 9 schools except for one mayroong exhibition performances na LPU Pirates cheer squad. Sayang, dapat sana hindi sa exhibition, dapat sa main performances. Sayang. Kasi season 100, dapat 10 teams. Bakit 9 na lang yung sa cheerleading? Kakalungkot. Pero ito yung may performances of Shanti for the promoting the new shows and Maka shows airing every Saturday. For the song like Jenny and the Camila Cabello song. And here are the winners of the NCAA 100 cheerleading competition. Second runner-up, Letran Pep Squad. While the first runner-up is the Altas Pep Squad, and the champion goes to AU Chief Squad on its 6th peak with head coach Lucky San Juan. Congratulations to the AU Arellano Chief Squad. And for our entertainment news, pero sports pa rin, that the Family Feud episode yesterday about Pinay wrestlers versus the UP Dragon Ball 3. Sa UP Dragon Ball 3, led by, of course, si Pao Chavez nagsumulat ng Pantropiko, singer, songwriter, entrepreneur, and battler. Sa jackpot round, ang huli na sagot ay ping-pong. Kasi may pogi, may volleyball, at syempre may one and pusa. That won 200,000 pieces! Yay! Congratulations to the UP Dragon Ball 3. Nanalo ng jackpot prize of 200k. At sa lahat ng mga nanood ng Family Feud kahapon, thank you very much for all. Hopefully, thanks for watching for latest Family Feud episode. Ang Family Feud, 5:40 p.m. That's it for our latest vlog. See you on Sunday. Bye. God bless.